Here we have the Airbus. Here we have the Airbus ship. These are normally bring in parts for the Airbus. Well, it says Airbus on board. So it would have come from France, and then it's now heading down the Bristol Channel. This is the English side. Over there, what you can see behind the Airbus ship is Newport. As I head down there, you can see, or you may be able to see, there's Denny Island, if anyone's got a map and fancy having a look. And there, in the foreground, very far away, let's see, oh, you can just see the pylons. That's the old Severn Bridge. The new